Okay guys, in this video I'm going to work on my Honda Goldwing. Are your blinkers blinking too fast or not at all after you installed LED blinkers? Then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way on how to fix that. My problem with the blinker started when I put this headlight on that's got the integrated blinkers. As soon as I did that, everything was solid. So it did switch on to the left and to the right, but it didn't blink. And the way I am fixing that is by installing a relay. First things first, I'm going to remove the faux gas tank that the Honda Goldwing has. Go ahead and remove the 10mm. So I'm just going to remove my seat. So even in 1983, Honda made an adjustable seat for the Goldwing. And you just kind of pull it out. That's the adjustment. Just kind of seat. 10mm. We should be able to pull out the faux gas tank. You know, this is a very well done thing by Honda. It does take a little bit of finagling to get this through. So I'd like to put my key in here, open this, and see where it's hitting. Usually just kind of move it around. There we go. With our current relay, this is what happens when you turn on the key and I switch to left and right. It does not blink. Same thing, they just stay solid. Normally when you install LED blinkers, they blink extremely fast, but this one, because of the headlights, that doesn't happen. This top portion, this is where we have all the electronics for the Goldwing. Really beautiful system by Honda. I really admire that they did this. It's a heavy bike, but the weight is just so much lower because of the engine and the gas tank, and the convenience of having the electronics so easily to access. Now compare that to the Yamaha T-Max and you'll see why I admire this old school of motorcycling. So this is our relay. This is our turn single relay. It's very easy to disconnect. First I'm going to pull out the unit, and I'm just going to disconnect this, and that's it. That's the relay. If you look at it, it's working. This is fully working, this relay, and only reason I'm changing is because the LEDs. This is the Mitsuba 12 volt, and this is made in Japan. Good old Japan making stuff, not in Chinese parts like we're getting these days. Relay, I bought it from China, just super light, DC-12, comes with this little piece of plastic so you can fit it easily, and it's pretty much like universal. Look at that, fits right in there. This one's B, this one is L. I'm going to put this one here, and this one, I actually have 3 wires. Oh yeah, the other one had 3, I think. And we're going to put this one here, and now we're going to test it. There is the right. I don't know why this one blinks. And let's check out the rear. And there we go, that's the rear. Now let's check out our left. Left works. Left on the headlight works. This bike has been amazing so far. Stay tuned for more videos on the GL 1100. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.